नमस्कार दोस्तों, स्वागत है आपका मेरे चैनल दिल्ली IAS में। इसमें हम प्रिपेयर करेंगे IAS की। तो दोस्तों, आप में से जो भी लोग नए हैं जल्दी से चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए। फिर शुरुआत करते हैं। तो आज हम क्विक रिवीजन करने वाले हैं अपने GS3 का एक टॉपिक है जिसका नाम है वेरियस सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस एजेंसीज, देयर स्ट्रक्चर एंड mandate. Okay, basically three things: security forces, agencies, their structure and mandate. These things we will discuss today. Okay, तो आई होप आपने सब्सक्राइब कर लिया है। तो चलिए बिना किसी देरी के जल्दी से क्विक रिवीजन करते हैं, क्विक रिकैप करते हैं कि इसमें क्या क्या होगा। ठीक है, ओके दोस्तों, ठीक है। तो जैसा कि नाम है हमारा वेरियस सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस एजेंसी, देयर स्ट्रक्चर एंड मैंडेट। तो फर्स्ट वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस। I hope most of the people know about Indian Armed Forces, paramilitary forces, police forces, okay, and different forces, okay. लेकिन उनका क्या काम होता है, क्या रोल होता है, उसके बारे में हम यहाँ पे जानेंगे। तो अगर आप देखोगे हमारे यहाँ पर कि मेनली सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस कौन कौन सी होती हैं, तो आपके मन में सीधे से आएगा भाई सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस आर मेनली ऑफ 3 टाइप्स, which are first is armed forces, second is police forces, and third is paramilitary force. Okay, in armed force we have mainly 3 major force, which are those: Indian Army, Indian Air Force and Indian Navy. Okay, and then in paramilitary force we have mainly Assam Rifle, and second is Indian Coast Guard forces. Okay, and then in police force we have mainly 2 types of police force. First is state police force, second is central, which comes under Ministry of Home Affairs. Under that mainly 7 type of police forces are there. First, for example, you can say BSF, Border Security Force, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, Sashastra Seema Bal. Okay, let me check what is this. Okay, Sashastra Seema Bal. Let me just shift it above a little bit. Yes, so Sashastra Seema Bal and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, Sashastra Seema Bal, and then we have here Central CRPF, Central Reserve Police Force. Okay, and then Central Industrial Police Force or Rapid Action Force, and 2 more which you will write in the comment box which are they. I'm not able to recall right now. Okay, so these are our major security forces. Okay, now question arises, these are security forces, then what are about agencies? Which are agencies? Okay, security agencies. Agencies are mainly of 2 types. One is intelligence agency, and second is their investigation agency. Intelligence and investigation. Okay, basically the main difference between them is this, that investigation agency has right to investigate a crime, plus they have right to arrest some person. Okay, these are handcuffing. Okay, right to arrest, right to arrest, right to investigate, right to arrest. And intelligence agency mainly function is to gather the information. Okay, information. Now these agencies are mainly of intelligence agencies are mainly of two types. Okay, yes, two type. First is space crunch. Let me shift it. Yes, wait a second. Yes, now it's okay. So these intelligence agencies are mainly of two type. First is you can say external, and second is internal. External intelligence agency which gather information related to outside of India mainly. For example, research and analysis wing, raw. Okay, many times you have seen in movies like Ek Tha Tiger, Tiger Zinda Hai, raw. And second is internal agencies which gather mainly information inside the country. For example, intelligence bureau. Okay, and yes, intelligence bureau, and IB and defense intelligence agency. Okay, okay, net grid, national grid of intelligence, something like that. Okay, and then one more, NCRB, National Crime Record Bureau. It maintains the record of crimes happened in India. Okay, these are mainly. One is more agency is there. You will write its name in comment box, which is related to technical. Okay, technical, which is related to technical. Okay, and now second is investigation agency. Famous investigation agency name is, you can say, like Central Bureau of Investigation, CBI, National Investigation Agency, NIA, and it is mainly for terrorism, and CBI is mainly for corruption and other important cases. You may have read about it in your daily current affairs. Okay, NIA, terrorism, and Central Bureau of Investigation or National Investigation Agency. Okay, that's fine. And other than these different agencies like NCRB, it's not NCRB, it's narcotic. I'm not able to recall its exact term right now, in which Samir Wankhede, famous drug controller officer of Maharashtra, Mumbai, Shahrukh Khan, Aryan Khan, this case. So please write its name in comment box if you know that agency's name. I think it's like Narcotic Control Bureau, NCB. Yes, NCB, Narcotic Control Bureau. That's fine. Thank you. So these agency do investigation along with intelligence. Okay, now the thing is, what is the use of these agency and security forces? Friends, I hope most of you very well know about the role of security forces, and some of you maybe know about the role of agencies also, but today we will see it from the perspective of UPSC CSE exam. Okay, so let us start. Why these are important? These are important from multiple perspective. We will discuss them one by one. Okay, why are they important? First of all, they provide India's security. And security, which two types of security, one is external, one is internal. Now you may think, what is external security, what is internal? Okay, for example, external security related to our neighbor countries like Pakistan and China. Okay, Pakistan, China, and other countries. Okay, and yes, others related to international trafficking, है ना, organized crimes which are of nature of cross border. Okay, cross border organized crime. This may comes under internal challenges also, and internal challenges mainly comprise of internal challenge like you can say इंसर्जेंसी, ऑर्गेनाइज क्राइम, organized crime like this terrorism, trafficking, drug trafficking and human trafficking, kidnapping. Okay, these all are activities. Okay, insurgency, organized crime, and other internal challenges like many times during natural disaster. During disaster, these agencies are very helpful. Many times, you know about Indian Armed Forces helps in this direction. Okay, so basically you can see that these security forces provide security and agency provide critical information for to enable those security parameters. Suppose this for example, this here is, yes, raw. Wait a second, let me change its color. Yes, color is fine. This raw, okay, it is not. Wait a second, let me change its color. This raw, it's okay. This raw, this provide critical input regarding China, Pakistan and other countries, so that our various security forces like our these BSF, IDPP, which provide security, border security to our area, they can secure our border, and it enables our complete securities. Okay, this similarly intelligence bureau provides intelligence regarding the various protest, and one more thing here is social crimes या social harmony है ना, social सामाजिक दंगे. ओके, सोशल हारमोनी, सोशल हार्मोनल रिलेशन में हैम्पर करना, ये सब. तो जैसे आपने देखा होगा कोई बार डेलिब्रेट प्रोटेस्ट करते हैं जानबूझ के, है ना. इंडिया की स्ट्रेटेजिक पोजीशन होती है, जैसे कुंडलकुलम न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट एंड वेरियस न्यूक्लियर पावर प्लांट न्यू प्रोजेक्ट इस्टेब्लिश, तो प्रोटेस्ट होता है उसका डेलिब्रेट, विच समटाइम फंडेड बाय फ्रॉम फॉरेन नेशंस टू स्टॉप इंडियाज progress and development. So these intelligence agency like IB provide information, and our security force act on that direction to protect our India's internal security. Okay. Similarly, these NET-Grade National Crime Record Bureau, Defense Intelligence Agency provide data to this thing, Indian Armed Forces. Here is Indian Armed Forces, and this armed forces then act to protect India's external security during any war or any other time. Okay. And similarly other different intelligence agency provide input to over these security forces, and then security forces act on those input. For example, these state police act on the input of these intelligence agencies, and let me change this color. Then security state police provide security to our state internal security. Okay. Similarly, this Assam Rifle and IC, ये सब. तो these are major function. So from the bird eye view, eagle view, you can see here very clear picture that these security for these agency provide input to these security forces. Okay, and then these security forces act to provide India's security, mainly two security, external security and internal security. Hence India's overall security structure is ensured. Okay, so this was main concept about the topic various security forces, agency, and their structure and mandate. One more thing is here about the location of these various security forces. Okay, no need to worry about that, I will cover that thing also. Suppose this is India's map. Wait a second, this is my मेरा प्यारे भारत. Okay, yes, this is my प्यारा भारत. Here ये रहा, ये भूटान, ये नेपाल, ये रहा नेपाल, और ये रहा मेरा प्यारा भारत. ठीक है, तो अब हमें देखना है इंडिया की वेरियस सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस कौन कौन सी कहाँ पर हैं. ठीक है, ओके. तो यहाँ पर जो इंडिया पाकिस्तान बॉर्डर है ना, ये रहा, और इंडिया बांग्लादेश बॉर्डर ये रहा। यहाँ पर है हमारी BSF, बॉर्डर सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस, इन दोनों जगहों पर, ठीक है। ओके, अब इसके अलावा जो ये हमारी इंडिया चाइना बॉर्डर है, और यहाँ पर भी है इंडिया चाइना बॉर्डर, यहाँ पर है हमारी इंडो तिब्बतियन बॉर्डर पुलिस ITBP, ठीक है। और जो इसके अलावा है हमारा ये नेपाल, लेट मी चेंज इट्स कलर, इसके अलावा है हमारा जो ये नेपाल एंड भूटान, इधर इन दो जगह हमारी SSB, सशस्त्र सीमा बल, ठीक है। उसके अलावा हमारा जो यहाँ पर है इंडो म्यांमार बॉर्डर, यहाँ पर है हमारी मेनली असम राइफल प्लस इंडियन आर्मी, ठीक है। तो ये हमारी कुछ मेजर बॉर्डर थी। अच्छा, एक चीज़ रह गई, इन बातों में ना हमारा एक इम्पोर्टेंट आर्म फोर्सेस रह जाती है हमेशा जनरली, ठीक है। वो है हमारी ये कोस्टल बॉर्डर्स, लेट मी चेंज इट्स कलर। कोस्टल बॉर्डर्स, कोस्टल बॉर्डर को कौन प्रोटेक्ट करता है, ये चीज़ आप बताओगे मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में, ठीक है। तो ये वेरियस सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस हैं हमारी, वेरियस उसको बॉर्डर्स को प्रोटेक्ट करती हैं। अच्छा, इसके अलावा एक और चीज़ है सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस के बारे में, जैसे कि ये जो सिक्योरिटी फोर्सेस हैं कब इस्टेब्लिश हुई, कैसे इस्टेब्लिश, दीज आर नॉट आई मीन सो मच इंपॉर्टेंट कंपेयर टू व्हाट आर द चैलेंजेस इन मेंस, इन UPSC CSE मेंस, व्हाट आर द चैलेंजेस बिटवीन इंडियाज ईस्टर्न व वेस्टर्न बॉर्डर्स एंड ईस्टर्न बॉर्डर्स, हाउ आर दे डिफरेंट, critically examine these type of question. Okay, so by this way, over this topic, various security forces, agency, their structure and mandate, we completed just from bird eye view, or you can say a small recap, very quick recap, fast recap. Okay, I hope you like this. If you like, then please subscribe. It give me motivation to make more video. Okay, thank you.